Half as Interesting just uploaded a video about Toki Pona.
Comprised of 120 words.
Yeah, the language has a minimum word count of 120, but it's a bit more complicated than that. Most people use the extended version of it, and nowadays, only knowing the main 120 presented in the original book is sometimes not what you want anyway, if you want to be a fluent speaker. Also, the title here is kind of inaccurate. Yeah, sure, you can learn the 120 words in a day or two if you try. However, it will take weeks or months to learn to use them comfortably. Also, let's rewind a little.
Toki, Nimi Mili Sam.
Nimi Mini Sam does make sense, but usually fluent speakers use names as a modifier to a noun, such as Yan Sam, meaning Sam the person. And the name Sam doesn't fit into the Toki Ponization scheme, needing Toki Ponization, but that isn't always necessary.
The Toki derived from the English word talk.
Toki isn't directly derived from English talk, rather the language Tokpisin.
Consonants and 5 vowels.
The consonants are based off of the English letters P, T, K, S, M, N, L, J, W.
J is also not from English J. They also don't even make the same sound.
And the vowels are based off the phonetic Spanish vowels A, E, I, O, and U.
Vowels are pronounced the same as in Spanish, but they were probably based on the IPA, since J is also said like IPA J. Also, please don't capitalize Toki Pona sentences. And Mimoku should be able to be said fine, and people will get the context. Lasso can also mean green. There are other number systems that were not mentioned, in which Luka is 5, Mute is 20, and Arne is 100, but the one-too-many system is usually all you need. It is uncommon to use prepositional phrases within the subject. I would say like Poki roye ri ron sinpin li pokitawa. Poki roye ron sinpin li pokitawa translates to the red box on the wall is a moving box. And I like bricks could be Poki roye ni ponatawa mi, which means red boxes are good in my opinion.
Probably have to settle for saying Sui Telo Wawa Kapekan Namako and Kule Ayo Kasi, or
and why is this man saying roye like rohe and iyo like ayo?
Kapekan Namako and Kule
Earlier, the same man said that stress falls in the first syllable,
or sweet energetic water with embellishment and color of wood.
In the translation of coffee actually means strong liquid sugar that uses spice plus the plant's nitrogen.
While Toki Pona can be written phonetically with the 14 Latin characters I mentioned earlier, there's actually a way to simplify this language even more. Lang also developed a system of pictograms you can use instead, known as Satelan Pona, which literally translates to simple writing. This sort of system isn't unheard of. Arabic, for example, uses a non-phonetic
of things. Arabic is nothing like Sita and Pona, plus it's not an alphabet, it's a logography. If you have a word that you want to write in Sita and Pona that doesn't fit Toki Pona's phonology or syllable structure, make it fit. For example, English can be inri. Okay, borderline unplayable is an insult to Toki Pona. I mean, that's all. Also, please don't send hate to Half As Interesting. They're an amazing channel, and even with those mistakes, nothing justifies bullying, especially in the kind Toki Pona community. And remember, instead, to subscribe to both Half As Interesting and Kunlupunasa if you haven't already. And please like this video. And 100 subscribers and views is something very crazy. Thanks for watching.